Hi guys, so this is my new fidget spinner. This is one Indian fidget spinner which has a color of the Indian flag. Actually it's like the Indian flag only. So I will test this out today. So let's test it. First I will test this with a bottle. This is a bottle and I will test it. Okay, so it's spinning in full speed and now it's going to clash with the bottle with full speed. Oh sorry, I put my finger there. So we are going to do it again. Okay, so the bottle moved a little bit. Now it has full power. Now okay, so it was good. And now we will spin it here and we will see if it falls off or not. Okay, so it is not falling off. Okay. Good. I expected it would fall off, but it's not falling off my chair. Now I will test it with my speakers of my computer. Okay, so now I will test it with full power. Now it is spinning with full power. Now okay, so the speaker moved a lot. It attacked on the speaker repeatedly, so it moved like slowly. But okay, this is stronger than my last fidget spinner. This is made of plastic, but it is stronger than that metal fidget spinner which I showed you last time, because this is larger than that fidget spinner. If you noticed, it is very much larger. Now we will test it with one bottle, but with one empty bottle. The last bottle was full, but this is empty, fully empty. So it's spinning with full speed. So now we are going to clash. Okay, so it's still spinning. It did not stop. Okay, so I am targeting to make the bottle fall off. Now with full speed. Okay, so that was loud, so the bottle fell. So now this is the last testing against a pen. Okay, it's still spinning. Okay, so made it fall off. Where is the pen? Okay, so it's here. Wow, it's still spinning. Slowly but still spinning. Okay, so this was good and this is better than my last fidget spinner. Let's see if I can. Okay, but this cannot be balanced in one finger like my last fidget spinner, because this is larger, so it can't be balanced with one finger for a very long time. If you are trying to do tricks with fidget spinner, I prefer use small fidget spinners. And if you like this video, then I will do one more fidget spinner showcase. So that's it for now. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.